How home remedies for constipation in adult works. Have you ever rolled over in pain when your belly starts churning but you can't seem to go? Do you want to find fast home remedy for constipation? If you are like millions around the globe, you will want remedies that can stop constipation fast. This can be done by going to the drugstore and ask the pharmacist what can help for constipation, or find the best home remedies for constipation. The latter does not come with side effects and generally will cost less. However, modern folks may not want the traditional herbs but prefer the processed herbs in capsules. If you go to the bathroom once a week or none at all, this can be termed as constipation in adults. The pain that comes with lack of bowel movements can be severe. It will affect the digestive tract, your skin, and most important, your energy levels. Some of the common symptoms are irritability, fatigue, listlessness in adults, and should be remedied as soon as possible. The use of natural herbs and fruits in your daily diet can go a long way in helping your bowel movements. The quick home remedies for constipation in adults and tips that have been working for centuries are still effective in 2016. This video is designed to help people looking for a natural way or home cures for constipation. So, click on the link and get more information on home remedies for constipation in adults now.